Patagonia Motorcycles. I'm here to inform you about our step-by-step process for out-of-state purchases.
So the first step in the process, as soon as we know exactly what motorcycle you are looking for, we will do a walk-around video and detailed pictures all around the bike, side to side, top down, left and right. Okay, we want to make sure that you are virtually comfortable with the bike that you are looking for. After the video call, we will get you a quote for the out-of-state bill of sale. And if you do need shipping, we have over 10 different shippers available with different prices. Just let us know and we'll get that for you. Once the balance has been fully paid, we will coordinate the shipping for you and we will give you updates from every step of the way. At this point, you will have your motorcycle, which will come with a 30-day temporary tag. This will give you time to register it in your state. And don't forget to leave us a review, and also to check our live inventory, check us out at www.patagoniamotorcycles.com. Thank you.